Hey everyone, in this video I'll explain you how to implement clear timeout. I found this question in a website called Big Frontend Dev. I'll drop this link in the description so that you can check this problem and you can try your solution there. So yeah, coming to question, here we have to implement a function called clear timeout, which is not available in JavaScript. So what this question is saying, we have to implement clear all timeout, and it should clear all the set timeout that is running in your program. And if you check note section here, what they are saying, you need to keep the interface of window.setTimeout and window.clearTimeout the same, but you could replace with same with with new logic. So I mean, they are saying you can use the set timeout and clear timeout, but you have to do some change and write some extra logic to implement it. Before going to solve this problem, let's check the set timeout documentation. If you go to set timeout documentation and if you check return value section, you'll get to know the set timeout will give you will return you an positive integer. It will return you a positive integer, and that will range from this to this, right? Same, we have to override the set timeout, and we have to write the solution. Okay, let me start with writing code. So what we'll do, I'll create window.timer IDs, and here I'll keep all the IDs. Um, Before that, I'll keep the existing timeout function in this variable timeout function, and window dot set timeout. Now what we'll do, it will override the set timeout function. So our set timeout function, what will take, it will take one function and some delay. Here our this the default set timeout, we'll call this default set timeout function. Okay, and here we have to pass this function and delay, and as it will return you id, I'll keep that id in timer ids dot push id. And as we are overriding this set timeout, we have to return the id that we are getting here, right? Just we are overriding this existing set timeout just to add the id inside this array, right? So now what we'll do, we'll write this function all clear all timeout. So write that, and what we'll do here, just to clear it out, clear all the ids, right? Timer ids but for each id, so window dot clear timeout, and just pass this id. That's it. Let me submit it. Okay, yeah, it is successfully submitted. So there is nothing much in this problem. Just we kept one array, and inside that array we are keeping all the ids. I mean, there are different way to solve this problem. I just used an array to keep all this value, but you can use set or any other data structure to keep this ids. Yeah, so this was it. Thank you for watching.